The Audi Q7 key fob houses a CR2032 battery that powers remote functions. To replace it, start by locating the small slot or seam on the fob's edge, typically near the keyring. Insert a thin, flat tool like a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool into this slot. Gently twist the tool to pop the two halves of the fob apart. Be careful not to apply excessive force, which can damage the plastic casing or internal components. Once open, you'll see the battery compartment. This process is straightforward and requires no specialized tools. With the key fob open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery from its holder, noting the polarity with the positive side up. Ensure you handle the new battery with gloves to avoid transferring oils to the contacts. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is facing up. Align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together, ensuring a secure fit. Test the key fob to confirm the new battery is working. Dispose of the old battery responsibly.